guys, welcome back to Semco Painting and Decorating YouTube channel. Before I start, can you please give us a like and subscribe to our channel if you want. This time I'm not gonna talk about painting. This is something totally different apart from the painting. This is something that I've learned with my dad, as he was a builder. He used to build houses and stuff like that. The issue with this project here is the peas under the house. This house had a big problem with the water drainage. The water was coming underneath the house, and that problem's been fixed a year ago or so. Even after 1 year, the peas on this house, because this house is on a brick piers, they sinking in. So when they're sinking in, you can see it on the floor above. On the skirting, there's a 12 millimeters gap all the way around. So I'm gonna show you quickly how to fix this problem with not much of the expense. So let's see how I'm gonna do this one. For this job, I'm gonna use 10 millimeters packing. I don't know if you can see it. That you can get from the Bunnings, that I'm gonna put under the timber. And I'm gonna use 2 mil packing as well. So if I needed to, squeeze it in somehow. So these are the ones, the thinner ones. So I can build it up, because the gap is not the same everywhere. Probably have to build it up a little bit with these 2 millimeters packings. You can get these from Bunnings. For this, I'm gonna use timber, a timber day, and this jack here. It's a 6 tons jack for lifting the floor above. So I'm gonna show you how to do that. As you can see, this one here needed the lift about exactly 16 millimeters. So we have to do the end now on that side. As you can see there. Once we do that, this timber is gonna be straight and back in the previous position that it was before the pier was sink. So we're gonna do the same on this side. This side is not gonna need that much lift, just a little bit, maybe 5-6 millimeters. Let's see, we will see how we go. See, I used only 2 millimeters packing there, and I used 10 and 3 2 millimeter, all up 16 millimeters on this side. You can see, and that will be it.